Hi, I'm Nick Monroe, and I'm going to show you the Viper Power Sports unit on a golf cart. Installed, we have a Viper Power Sport module in this E-Z-GO RXV golf cart. They're all keyed the same, and most of the time, anybody can just stick their key in and take it. Watch as this cart gets stolen. So this golf cart here is protected by Viper, as you see, with a blinking light on top, triggers with a lock, arm and disarm. The red light flashes for a few seconds, really quick, and then all of a sudden, they'll start a slow flash, which means that the vehicle or power sport equipment that you are driving is fully armed. Once turned on position, we'll also trigger it, as well as hitting the shock sensor or some sudden movement to the vehicle, and you can simply disarm it by pressing the unlock button. Thanks again for watching.